Do I have a qualifying R&D project? The short answer is to contact us for a no-obligation assessment. The R&D tax legislation is lengthy and requires both the knowledge and the experience that we have to quickly make sound judgments. On a basic level, 3 key questions can guide you on project qualification, but they require a detailed understanding of the guidelines to fully understand them. Question 1. Does the claiming limited company invest in developing or trying to develop new products, processes, services or materials, or develop science or technology to enhance existing ones? This is actually the easiest question. Does the company develop anything? Question 2. Does the company set out to achieve an advance in scientific or technological knowledge or capability? Is this broader than just their own knowledge or capability? And or can it be placed in a wider context, overall scientific knowledge or capability? You can be doing R&D if something has been achieved, but the knowledge of how it was achieved is restricted, for example, a trade secret. But if it is commonly known, then this is not R&D. A key mistake is if the advance is not in the fields of science or technology. A commercial advance does not count, for example. Question 3. Does the project involve a technological or scientific uncertainty that a knowledgeable professional in your field cannot readily resolve? Key issue is the knowledge of the professional. If in essence, knowledge of how to do something is available and routine, and the person doing the work can just look stuff up or go on a course, that is not an uncertainty. It has to be about an overall lack of knowledge. Equally, the uncertainties have to relate to science or technology. They cannot be about commercial activities or social science, for example. If you can answer yes to all 3 of the above questions, then it is worth investigating further if you have an R&D claim. But this is only a brief introduction to qualification, which is more fully described in, for example, the 2004 BIS guidelines. Other issues to consider would be, which scheme should I claim under? Which is a question that is not as simple to answer as you might think. Confusingly, sometimes small to medium-sized companies, SMEs, claim under the Large Research and Development Expenditure Credit Scheme, known as the RDEX scheme, due to issues like grants or subcontracted R&D work. You also have to consider ownership in making the calculation if a company is large or small, as different types and levels of owners are treated differently. Qualifying costs are covered in a further video, but it is possible to have an R&D project but have no costs that qualify. For example, if everybody doing R&D is paid by dividend, or if the R&D is grant-funded notified state aid, and all the work is subcontracted to other companies. It can get technical and is easy to make mistakes. Research and development claims are made through tax returns, and tax is a serious business. So contact us today and we can help you cut through the red tape and gain the R&D tax credits you are entitled to. You can also use our claim calculator to see how much better off you might be.